लेट हो गई जल्दी जल्दी से मतलब कर लेते हैं। अब बाल पे आते हैं। यार बाल तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही फूले हो रहे हैं, इतने फुक्के बाल भी कैसे बनेंगे। चलो ट्राई करते हैं। Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, this side Neeti Lohani and today I'm going to introduce you Agaro Volumizer Hair Dryer. So guys, जैसे कि आपने देखा कि मेरे बाल कितने ज़्यादा फ्रिजी हैं, लिटरली इन बालों को हैंडल करना इज़ जस्ट इम्पॉसिबल फॉर मी। गाइज जब भी मुझे किसी न किसी फंक्शन में जाना होता एंड हेयर वॉश करने के बाद पहले मुझे उनको ड्रायर से ड्राई करना पड़ता, उसके बाद स्ट्रेटनर से स्ट्रेट, इतना लंबा प्रोसीजर करना पड़ता। बट नाउ I got a solution for that. I got this Agaro Volumizer Hair Dryer. I can use directly into my hair after my hair wash to dry my hair as well as to style my hair. So firstly, let's just talk about this product along with how to use it. It comes in a box with a hair dryer, a manual and a warranty card. This is Agaro Hair Dryer, Hairstyler and Hair Volumizer, the only all-in-one product you can have. Here is the product. This has 3 speed and 2 heat settings. Low settings for fine and thin hair. High settings for thick and coarse hair. And use cold setting to lock in the style. After washing your hair, towel dry them to remove excess water. Now, using a normal hairbrush, detangle your hair by partitioning them into 2 parts. Now, let's take our hair dryer. As you can see, this brush has nylon activated charcoal bristles with soft and round tips, which helps you to detangle your hair and also smoothens them. Now, I'm going to adjust the setting according to my hair type. Styling of hair is up to you, whether you want straight or wavy. If you want wavy hair, then you can turn the brush at the edges of your hair. Don't take thin section of the hair. Take a thick section so that you can get a good results. You can also hold the tip of the brush for the process as it does not get hot. You can use this brush near your scalp as it has anti-scalding properties at tip. Because of this, you will not feel burning sensation. It has 24K gold styling surface for even heat distribution and consists results for all hair types. It has ceramic tool-lamine coating brush head along with ironing technology to reduce frizz. This hot air blow brush for women is a single step styler with 1200 watts power. This product contains 360-degree swivel coil, helps to use brush effortlessly. This is how my hair looks like after using this product. Oh my god, I am literally so much shocked कि ये product इतना अच्छा work कर सकता है। आप difference देख सकते हो कि पहले मेरे hairs कितने ज़्यादा frizzy थे and अब कितने smooth, shiny and silky हो गए हैं। Oh my god, I'm just loving with these hairs, guys. Oh. It just took less than 10 minutes and completely transformed my hair into this. इस product ने मेरे उन फुक्के बालों को completely transform कर दिया है. And I will give big thumbs up for this product. मैं खुद पर्सनली सजेस्ट करती हूँ आप लोगों को कि आप इस प्रोडक्ट को लो एंड ये रियली बहुत अच्छा है। अगर आपको कहीं फंक्शन में जाना है, आपने हेयर वॉश कर रखा है, आप गीले बाल लेके तो वहाँ जाओगे नहीं ना, तो ये बाल कितने अच्छे कर दे रहा है ये वाला प्रोडक्ट। सोचिए, आपके बाल भी ड्राई कर दिए, हेयर स्टाइल भी कर दिया, स्ट्रेट चाहिए स्ट्रेट, वेवी चाहिए वेवी। इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय दिस प्रोडक्ट, check out my description box for the link, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, next video में मिलते हैं अब आपको, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. Thanks for watching.